Twilight, I need you to do my hair. Twilight. Yes, ready. I just said I need you to do my hair. It's not clean today. Twilight. Drinking enough today, okay? But Twilight. I've learned so much magic from you. I'm an earth pony and I only have grooves in my necklace. And a ponytail, when I already have a ponytail. Sorry, I have to go. Aww. I gotta tell Mommy about this. Don't you see my hair? My hair is horrible. Full of gunk, stinky waves blowing around it. It looks horrible. It's horrid. Verity, but no. But I got a little pony to teach, okay? I've had enough. You know what? I don't even know why I have a bossy friend like you. Gosh. Fine, I'll do my hair myself. I don't need any of your help. Mommy? Darling, what? I've just been taught amazing magic. Good to hear, but I'm busy now. But it's really great. Now, go to school. Go. You see, I have to clean my hooves. These hooves are perfect. Please, Mommy, just say the truth. Now go to school. Go. Fine. Huh? Oh, darling Silver Spoon, you are just in time for music class. Huh? But you're supposed to be in Canterlot. I can't do this. You're not supposed to be teaching me. Wee. Huh? Oh, you guys, can you help me find Silver Spoon? She needs some extra care. I got the most important thing, and you gotta know. So, you ponies in, click the subscribe button to be in the challenge. Pony Hoove. Am I putting my hoof in the camera? Darling, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh. Better take it off then. Anyways, Silver Spoon, she's gonna give me a spoon, which means I'm gonna have all the gunk food. When I was in the rock farm, I had. Make sure you don't tell this to any pony. Okay, I'll just say it out loud. I had rocks for dinner. Ow! Anyways, bye! Hey, Pinky. Shh, Rainbow. I just said cat. You don't hear people when you're recording yourself. Even though the camera says it's not recording, so it's really weird. Come on, work. Pinky, you're gonna spoil the lens. No, I'm not. Forget it. Have you learned about your nose? What I have learned about is, remember when the nose go up and high? You mean down and high? Or up and down? Or down and high? I'm so sorry, dear. Also, you told me the wrong thing. Then Twilight King, what are you teaching this child? You need